A group of Indiana parents tonight is suing the state to change their children's birth certificates.
As it is now, the state will not list the names of both parents, and they say that's wrong. Eyewitness News reporter Mary Milz has a look at who's involved and why they feel so strongly about the change. Mary?
Well, John, there are 8 female couples. They're all legally married, and they all say they want a state law updated to both acknowledge and protect their families. This morning we talked to several plaintiffs after a U.S. District Court judge heard arguments in that case. All the couples involved have children through a third-party sperm donor. They say both parents should be listed on the birth certificate. But right now, Indiana law says no, only biological and adoptive parents can be listed. And listing anyone else is committing fraud even when an anonymous sperm donor is used. The plaintiffs say that's wrong and in several cases makes no sense.
I cannot physically carry my daughter, which is why I had embryos created in the first place. My wife carries her. We're in an intact legal marriage, and now all of a sudden my daughter, I have no legal tie to my own daughter. And I'm told that I need to go through a step-parent adoption process, which is, it's a little insulting, a little frustrating, but I'm willing to do whatever I have to.
We know a number of heterosexual couples who've had to use donor sperm and never, I mean, they're even shocked that we're not both on the birth certificate. It never would have occurred to them that it was an act of perjury to put the husband on the worksheet for the birth certificate.
So yes, under the law, all couples who use egg or sperm donors, that's heterosexuals included, can only list one biological parent on the birth certificate. That means the other parent is supposed to go through the adoption process. No one, though, could say if or how often that happens, but attorneys for the state say changing the law would create a third source of parental rights, one not tied to a biological relationship or legal adoption.